Hi guys, I am TheCubeSolver. I will be teaching you on how to solve a gear cube. This cube is just deceptively difficult because of that moving edges. So let's start. The first thing to do is to match two corner pieces. Now I want to start with this one. This one corner piece, this is a white, orange and green edge piece. Now what I have to do is to find the other in this area that should be on this place. This is white, orange and blue. Definitely, because the opposite of green is blue. White, orange and blue. This one is in here. Now what you have to do is to put this piece in here. Now what I will do is bring this piece all the way in here and bring it up in here. As easy as that. Next, we have to find the center for these corner pieces. This should be at the yellow side. Here is the yellow side. And this should also be at the white side. Where is the white side? There you go. This is the white side. Now you'll be amazed that all the corners are already correct because that's just how the cube works. I'll show you more instances on how can we match two corner pieces because I believe that it'll be the hardest part on this cube. I'll show you one more. Now in this case, it is a yellow, green, and orange corner piece. I want here a yellow, green, and red corner piece. And I see that it is in here. Now what I have to do is to bring it to the back. Like this one. It is already in here. You can bring it to here. Now they are already mashed up in here. We should find the center for the green side. This is the center for the green side. Put it at the side and bring it up in here. Now we should find the center for the yellow side as well. It's in here. Simply bring it in here. We're done with the corners. Next, we have to place the edges, but not necessarily on the correct orientation. Now let's start with this ring of edges. Our goal is to exchange these two edges as well as these two at the bottom. Let's start with this one because this piece should be in here. This piece should be in here. The algorithm is so easy. Face a cube like this. The pieces that will be exchanged should be at the top and at the bottom. R2 up, R2 up. Now you'll see it is already corrected as well as the other sides. Now it's just coincidence that it is already properly oriented, but there are instances that they are not. There are instances also that you just have to do the algorithm once or twice and all of the edges will be corrected. There might be an instance when two edges next to each other are not exchanged, like this one. This piece should not be in here, this piece should also not be in here. But this edge piece should be in here and this edge piece should be in here. Now let's do the same algorithm and we'll fix that. We may face any side around this ring. R2 up, R2 up. Now you'll see we can exchange this two already. Same algorithm. R2 up, R2 up. Now at this case, these two should be exchanged. So we'll do the algorithm in here. R2 up, R2 up. Now it's done. Now I think we're done with all of the edges. Next we have to orient these edges. Let's start with this ring of edges. The algorithm is very easy. Now this right side 4 times 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now if it's not yet still corrected, do it again. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we can move on to this ring of edges. Same algorithm. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now it's done. That's it. We're done. If you managed to solve it, leave a like in this tutorial. Tell your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to click the subscribe button. Thank you for watching.